long list.
It's a long list.
So yes.
Okay, I don't feel too bad then. I lost to a lady. Ah, I felt it.
You know, poverty is a mindset, right? And if you don't attack it the right way, man, you'll end up giving in to it. You gotta stand up and fight for your life and what you believe in. Man, I grew up with holes in my shoes, walking to school every day, and surely didn't have food to eat. And if I can make it with the odds against me, look, you can do the same. I made a promise to myself, and listen, you gotta do the same, to never go back to being poor. Poor in mind, poor in finances, poor in family, poor in your confidence. You gotta know who you are and know you are greatness. There's nothing you can't do. Anything is possible. Not one person connected to you will ever lack for anything. You gotta put that in the atmosphere with the plan, your faith, and your perseverance. And man, look, you'll be successful, my friend. That's a promise.
Here we go. Racerx, Miss X. Here we go. Let's see. I lost to a lady. Ah, I felt it. Yo, she got me, yo. She got me.
I appreciate it.
All right, man. This your main man, Evapors. Y'all saw I was just on the GoPro in a race. Not with Racerx, but with Mrs. X. I lost, as you can see from the GoPro footage. I literally lost all my composure. Not because I lost a race. I said I lost to a woman. That's what I said.
Yeah, that's what we usually want to say.
All due respect to the queen. I'm at her court. I'm bowing down at the court. Did you have fun?
I did. I had a lot of fun. I was actually coming to come see you to see what you did against the other Scat pack.
I won both times.
Both times. Okay, I wonder what you're doing different than I'm doing. I need to go ask her.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I know when I raced Mission, I beat him, and then Mod the Fame got in and drove the third time. His shifts was so different, he beat me by like a car and a half.
Yeah, he beat me, but we didn't leave at the same time. So he was out, but he beat me pretty good.
Yeah, so that's crazy, right? So I beat him. Well, Mission beat me once, I beat him once in a good race. But then you took me.
Yeah.
I'm just being real. She took me. So racing, just because somebody beat somebody, that don't mean it don't mean a thing. When you line up with them, what kind of light did they cut? What kind of light did you cut?
There's so many variables to determine
Thanks for the support.
But, you know, we're out here to have fun. So it's all in good fun.
And you set a good pace in the left lane. You know, you was.
And see, I didn't know I was supposed to cut speed.
You did? Well, I knew I was supposed to keep up with you.
Okay,
you
see,
know.
I'm new to road racing. That was my third time road racing.
Yeah.
My third race ever.
Okay, yeah.
All
That is
street
not your
race.
third time roll race.
At the track. Let me clarify that.
Oh,
at the track.
Okay.
I'll do
You
it
try
on
to
the
roll
street.
race everybody.
Yeah. On the street, yeah.
I
But
did it on a test drive.
on a test drive. Whoa!
True story.
I love it, man. So yeah, man, Racerx and Mrs. Racerx. Thank you for.
Thank you.
I'm gracious in defeat, and I would say I'll see you again out there, but I don't know. I might be done for the day.
Oh no, you're not. It's fun. Come on.
When a woman beats you, you just go home.
No.
I'm about to call the airport and say.
She sends a lot of people home though.
Oh, I'm not by myself.
No, there's
Oh,
a long list.
it's a long list.
So yes.
Okay, I don't feel too bad
No,
then.
you shouldn't feel bad at all.
Keep your head up. We got this.
No doubt, man.
Next time you get me on the light, we never know.
No doubt. It's your
All-wheel drive.
all-wheel drive. Yeah. So I'm gonna take my L, man, with a side of potatoes and chew on it for a little while, man. All right, TK, let's go.
get our ticket, call it a day. Man, this is fun. All the way fun. The Scat Pack and the I-8s are a better match, man. Way better match. The Scat Pack and I-8, it can go either way, man. I-8 versus the Scat manual, I-8 versus the Scat automatic. Just a better matchup either way.